I'll be on my way now.
Morning,
You just
folks.
give me a...
Currently just waiting for our lift. Time is like 4:30 AM, and the reason we're up this early is because I have managed to find what could possibly be one of the cheapest flights I will ever find in my entire life. I've managed to find a flight from Newcastle to Dublin and back for just £17. I can't even get a taxi into town and back for £17. That's how cheap this flight is. So I'm just waiting for my lift, waiting for the lads to arrive, and then we're off to Newcastle Airport, and I will see you in Dublin.